Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how to recover a deleted post on Facebook. So simply just launch the Facebook application on your mobile device. So what we're going to do, we will move in the right bottom corner option is the menu, and we will just scroll down and finding the settings and privacy as well. So just get in, and if I just scroll down and just finding the activity log, simply just tap on it as well. So after loading completely, you will be just tap on this delete icon which is called trash. So within 30 days, if you just deleted a post on Facebook, so you will be able to recover it from here. But right now I will just not delete it. So that's why this is the blank. So in this way, you will just have to recover a deleted post on Facebook easily. So hope this video helped you. Please don't forget to like and subscribe and get notified for more videos.